Hey guys, I have a vacuum that y'all never thought I would have, but I have one. Y'all might want to see my vacuum. Hold on. I have a Kirby. I have a Kirby G5 vacuum. This was on, the scotch tape was on it when I got it. I'm missing the shampooer one thing. I'm missing that. I don't know where it is. I've looked everywhere for it and I don't know where it is. It's got, these are the bags it takes. It's got a long ass hose. One thing. This is my favorite tool out of all of them. This is my favorite. I don't know where the thingy that goes on the crevice tool is. My sister had it last and lost it. I'm sorry. Don't know what this is for. I think that's for the shampooer. Same with this. This turns into a hand. This makes it turn into a handbag. And yeah, and I think that's the tool caddy. There's nothing in here. Oh, there is, but it doesn't go with it. It's one of these things to a game. That's what it's. It's got a Velcro strap for I don't know what. I think it holds all the tools down or the hose. I don't know. Because I think it goes around the hose and you wrap it. I don't care about that. I don't really care for that that often. So I don't use it. I usually wrap the hose inside it. Hang on. Hey. Okay. This is what that goes there. The bags are stuck in here. I don't know why it's open. I think my dad opened it because he had to put a new bag in it. Hold on. I have to put the camera down. This video was highly requested for me to show off my freaking Kirby. Brayden wanted to see it, and James wanted to see it, and Wizard wanted to see it. Suck those pieces in there because I don't know what to do. This. I stick that there. I stick that there. Hold on. So I stick. The dusting brush I stick there. This piece I stick in here. I stick this in there also. That in there too. Same with that. I stick that there. And I stick this. And this is how I have it. Yeah. And I normally just take, I just normally just wrap it around like that. That's what I normally do with the hose. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do a live stream of me running it, so I hope you like this little video of my Kirby. I had this for like several years. Ow, pinch me. And I kind of hate it because it doesn't work very well. They say the Kirby's are the best vacuums. You should get one. Oh yeah, they're very, very good. You should try one. Blah blah blah. I don't care. They're not good. I've had one. This was actually my child vacuum. I've had this ever since I was a kid, and pieces are coming off of it. It's like the hose on the vacuum hose won't stay. I have in there. You might see the motor shaft. It's dirty. So yeah. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, thanks for watching.